Hey guys, there's the levee in Grand Tower, Illinois. We're in Grand Tower right now. Everybody's evacuating. Most everybody's evacuating. I guess if you're smart you are. Here's the levee on this side. Can't get up there. We'll have to just get out and walk. There's a bunch of people trying to move stuff out. Okay. So there's different types of flooding. There's flooding where, here, you said, tell them what you were telling us about different types of flooding.
Don't put me on this there.
I won't. There's rainwater flooding.
When the levee's closed.
And then when the levee's closed and you can't, there's no place for the floodgates closed and there's no place for the water to go on this side. So on this side, there's no place for the water to go. Can't go to the river. Okay, so here's the Mississippi. You can see there's a bunch of sandbags down there. We're standing on the levee right now. And there's people that walk up and down. Up and down.
It's supposed to be a boat ramp in front of you.
Yeah, this is actually supposed to be a boat ramp right here. And there's some let's go look at the sandbagging they've done here. I heard that Cora City, that the levee was like turning to mush there. Hi. And that they're in desperate need for sandbaggers at Cora City, so if you're nearby. Oh wow, guys. Okay, I can't expect you to know because I've never periscoped Grand Tower before, but the reason they call it Grand Tower is because there's a giant tower in the middle of the Mississippi River, and it's called Tower Rock. And so it's like this giant tower. Hi. Well, this is what it looks like now. Just the very top of it is showing out of the river right now, which is quite strange and eerie to see. I'm going to switch to landscape mode so you can see this better. Yeah, normally this rises out of the river like this is a big tower that comes out of the river. Now it's just looks like a rock. Here's where they've sandbagged. This is the highest I've seen it here, but I usually don't come down here when it floods. So I guess I'm not really a good judge by that. But I've never seen it. I've actually never seen Tower Rock like almost completely covered like that. That's really freaky.
I would volunteer to walk the levee.
Hi, Texas. So yeah, we're hoping that the levees hold. On the way here, we passed a bunch of farmers frantically getting grain out of their silos, which is really unfortunate. I'm sure they'll probably have to sell off early, and grain is down right now, so it's just not a good situation. anywhere. We're in Grand Tower right now, Grand Tower, Illinois. Here's the booming metropolis of Grand Tower on this side of the levee. But you can see, thank you, here's the levee. Here's what's holding the river back. Here's the river, and here's the town. This won't affect my business directly. I'm just really worried about all the people that live here. You guys have probably heard of Cairo, Illinois. That's another, it's where the Mississippi River and the Ohio rivers converge. This river is moving so fast, guys, so fast. Yeah, this is flooded. I'm not sure when it's supposed to crest. I do know that the crest, the projected crest, I think they've raised it. This is the Mississippi River. And the projected crest, I know a couple days ago they thought it was going to crest at 50 feet, which is higher than the epic floods that we had in 1993 here. No, I wouldn't go fishing.
Look at the,
yeah,
you can see the water level right here.
Yeah, I thought about that this morning, Joey. 1993, I don't know. Everyone here is saying it's worse than 93. It's worse than 93. So, 93 was really bad. Yeah, the Ohio River and the Mississippi join at Cairo. That's another place where there's a lot of issues there. There's number one, the population there is below poverty level. Like, nobody has money in Cairo, so nobody has money to sandbag or to prepare properly. And if the levees go there, we will lose Cairo, Illinois. It'll be gone. So here's a better perspective for you here. Right now you can tell the water. No, this is in Grand Tower, Illinois. The water is already higher than the street level. Do you see where the trees are? There. That, on the other side of that is where like the normal beach would be for the Mississippi. I need to head back to town now, guys, but I'm going to this levee, we're just hoping and praying the levee holds everywhere in southern Illinois. Actually, everywhere where flooding is affecting people. Huh?
Missouri's got levees on their side too.
Yeah, I mean, that's Missouri right there. That's Missouri. This is Illinois. There's levees on Missouri that need to hold. No, this isn't Quincy. Quincy's north. So this is a levee right here, and it goes to the horizon. So there's been people walking this day and night, 24 hours a day, looking for weak spots. Well, you know, there's only so much. Yeah, the 93 flood was supposed to be once in a millennial flood, and this is already worse, according to a lot of people. So it's global warming, melting ice caps. All right, I'm gonna get off here and head back to a different part of town, back to Murfreesboro, where there are a ton of tributaries, like the Big Muddy River and creeks and things. All those are flooded, but it's just usually those flood and the Mississippi doesn't look this bad. this high. This is really scary. So, anyway, okay, I'll see you guys.